Hey, 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 come outside and play. Bring your smile, bring your laugh. Let's have fun today. Running fast across the park, playing games from dawn till dark. Swinging high up to the sky, watching fluffy clouds roll by. Jumping ropes and riding bikes, flying kites and mountain hikes. Every friend brings something new. That's what makes our team so cool. Some are quiet, some are loud. Some love dancing through the crowd. Some can sing and some can draw. Every child deserves applause. Outside together, side by side, laughing with our friends so wide. Every person shines so bright. Different colors, different lights. You need me and I need you. That's what special friends all do. Holding hands and having fun. We are stronger as one. Kicking balls across the grass, watching little butterflies pass. Building castles made of sand, helping each other hand in hand. Some are tall and some are small, but there's room here for us all. Every voice and every smile makes the playground shine a while. If your friend is feeling sad, be the kindest friend they had. Lift them up and let them know, together we can always grow. Outside together, side by side, laughing with our friends so wide. Every person shines so bright. Different colors, different lights. You need me and I need you. That's what special friends all do. Holding hands and having fun. We are stronger as one. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, spin around to the happy beat. Jump up high, touch the sky, wave to every friend nearby. Dance, dance, dance all day, friends together all the way. Sharing toys and sharing dreams, working together as a team. Every child can help and care, love and kindness everywhere. From the playground to the trees, from the flowers to the bees. Different people, different ways, make the world a brighter place. No one has to play alone. Every heart can find a home. Friends can help you smile again.